Hi, it's Noe with WTI. Raise your hand if you've ever had to sit on a suitcase to close it shut. Well, now you don't have to with this set of nylon compression cubes from Dec-Mec. One of my favorite things about this set is the material. I love that it's thin enough to see through it, but durable enough to withstand the amount of clothes I put in there, especially when I'm compressing it down. Another great thing about the fabric is that it's waterproof. So if there's any spills in your suitcase, your clothes will be protected. Something I like about these compression cubes is that they each have a handle on it, which might seem like a very small detail, but comes in super handy. These cubes save so much space. It's so much fun to fill the cube and then really watch it go down as you're using the compression zipper. I did find it very easy that the zippers glided and they were durable, they didn't break. I found that folding the clothes before putting them in the cubes made it a lot easier to fit more. And then also, I found that the clothes were not wrinkled when pulling them out. This comes in so many other colors. I chose white. I love the detailing around each of the cubes. It has a little bit of gray and a neon yellow. So if you never want to play Tetris again while packing, then I would highly recommend this set of compression cubes from Dec-Mec. And that's my point of view.